Hey guys, Justin Costello here, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. I just want to show you this great 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard we just got in. It's got a 300 on the back. Great power option for this boat. It's super quick, great performance, and still very fuel efficient. Look at this walk through here. So much space on this 25-foot boat. We got a shower here, large deck space. Even with this outboard, they fill in the motor well here. We can walk right across. I'm really pleasantly surprised and happy with the way this boat turned out. I love it. Great for the family and friends. South Florida. Go to the sandbar, lunch, dinners, cruise up and down the beach. Really perfect. We also equipped this with a 9-inch Simrad dash display. So you got your fish finder, your GPS, and all your tax and engine gauging right through the screen. Of course, fly-by-wire controls. And we ordered this with a plumbed marine toilet with pump out, and it also has a large bed down here. I mean, this is a really good size. Let me just show you here. We pull this down. I mean, you could fit 2 adults down here. Really awesome. So it's got a little cuddy, port side walkthrough, nice deep gunnels. Feel totally safe and secure. You have dogs, little kids, don't have to worry about them. They can be walking up here while you're idling and running the boat. And then got this expansive seat area up in the bow, which is a great zone for 4 or 5 more adults. You got a 12-volt charging system up here, another cooler under this seat. Alright guys, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Give me a call, 954-633-2070. I think you'll be really happy when you come take a look at this 250 SDX outboard. MarineMax, Pompano.